Hi, boys and girls. So, today is Wednesday, May 20th, 2020. So, we'll have Thursday and Friday for school. Then you will have Saturday, no school, Sunday, no school, and Monday, no school. That is a holiday, Memorial Day. So, after we get through 2 more school days with learning, you will have 1, 2, 3 no school days. So today what I want to do is spend a little bit of time using your Let's Find Out. Now you will have had this inside of your packet. I have the big one here, so you all have a small one that you can use today to talk and learn a little bit more about how a frog grows up and also some differences between different types of frogs. So you'll learn about the life cycle of a tadpole to a frog. There's a great video on the digital website, so make sure you log in to Let's Find Out on the computer or your iPad. Put in our secret code so you can watch the video and also play the game. In this issue, you're also going to learn about the way frogs are alike, so how they're the same, and how they are different. So one thing that is the same about all frogs is the way that they are born and the way that they grow up. A frog grows up. This frog is all grown up now. It has a long pink tongue. But did this froggy look the same back when it was young? And we know the answer to that is no, because we talked about that in our other videos and from the other books that I read for you. So if you are on the digital website, when you go to the digital version on your iPad or your computer, you can watch a video that shows a real frog egg hatching into a tadpole, and that tadpole changing into an immature tadpole, into a mature tadpole. It will grow its legs, and you'll be able to see that. It will then, its tail will start to shrink, and you will notice the front legs will grow, and the tail will go away, and it will be a froglet. And then after it grows a little bit longer, it will turn into a frog, and that new frog, the grown-up frog, can lay new frog eggs. So make sure you check out the video, it's really good. From egg to frog. The black dot is the baby frog, right inside there, that little sphere inside of the clear jelly egg. Egg. A frog starts in an egg. Does it look like a frog yet? No. Tadpole. A tadpole hatches from the egg. Does it look like a frog yet? Yes or no? Tadpole with legs. So this is sort of when it starts to begin to look like the froglet, but it doesn't have all of its legs grown and its tail isn't all the way in yet, so this isn't a froglet yet. The tadpole grows legs. Does it look like a frog yet? Yes or no? Frog. Now the frog is all grown up. Does it look like a frog yet? Yes. So that's the life cycle of the frog. But down here, I want you to notice all of these pictures. And we do have some of these great books. Back in our classroom, we had this great book about frogs, and this one in our Let's Find Out, Learn About the World book box. And it has pictures of real frogs. Do all frogs look the same? No. Frogs can be many colors and patterns. Which is your favorite? So I'm going to let you notice these frogs. I'll read the names to you. Tomato frog. It's big and round and red, like a tomato. Red-eyed tree frog. So he has red eyes. I brought this out because that's another really good picture of a red-eyed tree frog. They have really sticky feet. Azure poison dart frog. So azure actually means blue in Spanish, so that is a blue-skinned frog. Pac-Man frog. He's a big fat frog. Spotted strawberry poison dart frog. So he kind of looks like a strawberry. He's red, has spots on him. Now, all of those frogs have different color skins. Their body sizes are different. Some are big, some are small. Some of them are big and round, and some are small and thin. Some have long legs, some have short legs. But some things that are all the same are the fact that they all have 4 legs, they all have 2 eyes, they all have 1 mouth. So those things are all the same. Move and learn. Can you jump like a frog? So take a little break and jump like a frog. Remember to bend your knees all the way down. Make sure your hands touch the ground. Squat down all the way, and then leap with those front legs, or yours are your hands. Now on the back there is an activity, and this is a bullfrog. Bullfrogs are big and they are loud. They croak really loud. A bullfrog's hungry week. Read the chart, then circle the correct answers. So you'll notice that that looks like a calendar. It doesn't have numbers on it. It's a calendar for 1 week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And these are all the things that the bullfrog eats on each day. So on Sunday, he eats a dragonfly and a worm. On Monday, he eats a fish and a snail. On Tuesday, he eats a snake. You can practice reading some of these words using the picture clue. On Wednesday, he eats a grasshopper and a worm. On Thursday, he eats a fish and a worm. On Friday, a grasshopper and a snail. And on Saturday, a snail and a dragonfly. Those are all things you can find around a pond where he lives. Then you have some questions at the bottom to think about and answer. Number 1, which did the frog eat on Tuesday? So I want you to find the word Tuesday and circle what he ate on Tuesday. Was it a snake, a snail, or a fish? Number 2, which did the frog eat on Friday? Did it eat a worm, a grasshopper, or a snake? So find that word Friday and think about which one is correct. Number 3, which did the frog eat on Saturday? Was it a fish, a worm, or a snail? So think about that and circle the correct answer for Saturday. Now, the bonus question is, how many days did the frog eat a snail? So you'll have to look up there and count how many days did the frog eat a snail for its food and circle that number. So after you've had a chance to read the Let's Find Out magazine and do the activities for learning, make sure you spend some time on the website. Again, watch that video. The game that you'll play is sequencing or putting things in order. So it's a fun game to play. And you can also go up in the search bar where it says search, and you can type in the word frog, F-R-O-G. And if you type in that word frog, you will find an old Let's Find Out magazine. This one is from March of 2018, so it's 2 years old, but you can also listen to this story or this magazine. You can read aloud. There is a video. You can learn about different animals that live in a pond with the frogs. So this one is called At the Pond, and it has great activities. There is an activity at the end you can do about what kind of tracks you see around a pond, what kind of animal makes the tracks. And the game on that Let's Find Out magazine is actually a game where a frog will say a snap word and you have to find the snap word in a hidden picture. So make sure you check out those 2 Let's Find Out magazines all about frogs. Have fun learning today and make sure you get outside to play because it's going to be a beautiful day today. I'll see you soon. Have a great day.